Hey, what's up, guys? Carlo here. Today I'm gonna talk about how to build trust with your audience with these power words. So, trust is the main thing out there. If you wanna sell anything, you gotta make people trust you out so they can give you your money in exchange for your product and your offer. So, building trust is basically giving all your values, all the things that you believe in, and being the same as the audience. So let's say that my audience it's always interested, let's say the persuasion topic. So my audience believes that persuasion is nothing that it's bad. It's just a way to get into people's mind and help them out to solve a problem, right? So my audience doesn't see persuasion bad, so I'm always telling and reaffirming that my value is that persuasion is not bad. So if that resonates with you, that builds trust. Like I'm a trustable person for you. The thing here, guys, is that even though you're trustworthy, you need to say it. You need to make it clearly. Okay, so with these power words, it's really easy to make your audience trust you more and take all those mental barriers that they have before buying something. Remember that I told you that when someone is buying, they have all these barriers in front of them, and you need to take one at a time, each objection, each thing out so they can buy. And trust is one of the biggest one. At the end, you are always giving, trusting someone when you're buying. What, especially nowadays, because back then you maybe give your cash and people give you the stuff right away. But nowadays you put your credit card with all your information in a site and something that might get to you in 2 weeks, in 3 weeks, right? So you need to build trust with your audience. If you put Instagram posts, if you do emails, if you do affiliate marketing, if you do any type of business, online or offline, you need to build trust, and it's really easy with these power words. So I'm gonna show you the best ones, especially in products. This and this are the most, those are the most important words ever. Money back. Why? Because all the risk goes into the money. Like, am I gonna get my money back if I don't like it? And if you tell them and you truly do it, like, yes, I'm gonna give your money back, people are gonna trust you and they're gonna give you a chance, right? You want people to give you a chance to prove them that your product is actually good and then convert them into long-term clients. Because we don't want people buying just once, right? We want people buying again and again and again in the future. So obviously when you say it, do it. So let's say, for example, when I started out, I was trying to use ClickFunnels, right? And out of nowhere, I didn't use it. Like, I needed a refund for some reason, and I always remembered that people in ClickFunnels, they were telling like, yes, money back, guaranteed, all these things, but I didn't know if it was true, right? But the first day, I just talked to them and they were like, yeah, sure, I'll give you a refund, blah, blah, blah. And they gave it like in no time, without no questions asked at all, right? So I trust them now and then. I don't feel this risky. I don't feel that I'm risking myself when I'm buying things from them. So money back, refund are keywords that you need in your sales page in your website. Proven, have you ever seen like proven method to lose weight, proven method to melt fat, a proven method to drive traffic to your website, right? Something that it's proven, that you have done before, right? Risk-free, pretty obvious, right? Authentic, I don't like authentic that much because it makes you feel like, why wouldn't it be, right? Why wouldn't this product be authentic? I didn't even knew that there was something not authentic about this. But you can even do it if you are talking, comparing to other people. You can say like, yes, we use the authentic materials maybe, or this is the authentic method. Backed, really, really nice one. Backed by science, scientifically backed by this, like if you see the stock market and you see when people buy and say that, okay, this is backed by gold or backed by funds, backed by this and this and this, it makes you feel like in case anything happens, I'm backed with this policy, with this thing that is gonna cover me up, so I can give my money without feeling that I'm risking too much. So backed, best selling, you see it everywhere, the best selling author from this and this book. We trust in that because if you see the previous persuasion principles that I covered in other videos, you talk about doing the things that everybody else does because we assume that they're making a right decision. Like if 10 million people bought this book, it was for one reason, right? So they use it really much. Cancel anytime. I love this one because it's like, yeah, no strings attached. You can cancel at any time. I don't care. Like the things that I've seen that worked really well also, it's like, yeah, if this product doesn't do this for you, sorry, you can cancel anytime. No strings attached. Just do it. I don't want your money. I just want to solve your problem. That one, like, I don't want your money. Take it back. For me, it works every single time. And that's what you gotta do. You gotta observe which ones work for you and apply it into your own business. Certified, obviously, if it's something related to health, maybe. Guaranteed, the most powerful word ever. Professional, like make your professional website. It feels like it's something that it's professional, that it's gonna be good, that it's reliable. This is a really good one because reliable feels like, yeah, this problem, this method, this product that I'm selling you is reliable, is something that you can rely on, that it's trustworthy, like you can relax and be sure that this is gonna give you the result that you want. Lifetime, this is a really good one, like you're gonna get lifetime access to all my courses, to all my information, to all my content. Lifetime. Expert, obviously used by everyone. Let's say like Facebook ad traffic expert, so it feels more heavy, right? Like trustworthy. Guilt free, I've seen this one in a lot of products. You can use it in maybe any organic products. They can tell like, yeah, this organic product is guilt free, right? You can like this organic pizza, it's guilt free. It works really good. I really love it. This one is the one that I love the most. No questions asked. Why? Because we hate having to explain things, right? We hate having to tell people like, I'm doing this for this and this reason. It will be really better, really, if you could just tell them, hey, I want a refund, and that's it. No questions asked, that's over, and that's it. So I don't have to explain anyone. That's the good thing about friends. Let's say you trust your friends because you know that if you ask them something, they might do it. No questions asked. They're like, man, I'm gonna help you whenever you want. I'm not gonna ask you questions if you want. If you don't wanna tell me, I'll just do it, right? And that's a really trustworthy power word. Official, this is the official account from Elon Musk, right? The official account. Tested. Why? Tested works because you know that it's not the first time, and we assume that the first time is more prone to fail, right? Things that don't fail that much are the things that have been tested once and again and again and again. So tested is a really good one. And verified, okay? Verified thing, something that has done also in the past and now we know that works, because people don't want to take risks if they can, right? We prefer to pay more for something that is more probable to work, something that I can trust, and it's nothing better than that, than having something, some brand, some product, some person that I can trust. I trust that their information is true, that the information works, that their things work, and that's how people buy. We prefer paying more for something that we trust and that we know that it's gonna give us one result, the result that we want. It's gonna take you from A to B, than paying less for something that might not work, because we are always looking for certainty, right? That's the path. So if you can build trust, use all these power words, people are gonna be able to pay you more without questions. They're just gonna tell like, yes man, I trust you, here's my money, give me my result, and that's it. So that's the place where you want to be. Apply these words right now in your copy, in anything that you're writing for your business, for your presence, for any email, anything. So I hope you liked it. This is such a practical lessons. If you want to see more of these free trainings, subscribe down below. And if you want to take it to the next level, look for my Crucial Copy Skills ebook down below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.